Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Friends, this is my peace lily plant, which used to be lush, green, and bushy. This is what become of it. Friends, in plants, there can be very many reasons for distress, like change in weather or overwatering, underwatering, or maybe it was left in the sun, or maybe it did not get sun at all. So let's have a closer look. What is really bothering this plant? Let's loosen some soil and check. Friends, can you see? When we have loosened the soil, there are some bugs coming out of it. Friends, I saw mealybugs on the plants, but in the soil, never. Now we know who the culprit is for deterioration of this plant. We are left with no choice because with so many bugs in the soil, this plant will not survive in the soil. It has to be removed immediately. So, friends, I will remove this plant and give it a thorough water wash. And let us check the roots, whether the bugs have eaten away the roots or the roots are healthy, because if there is life in the roots, we can save the plant. And any gardener doesn't want their plants to die on them. They want to save the plant till the last. So friends, let us save this plant. Get it out of this soil, infested soil. Oh my god, so many bugs are there. You can see. Poor thing. So we will remove this plant and give it a thorough wash. The roots seem to be okay for me. Roots are healthy, so roots are not affected. So this plant can be saved. So we will give it a thorough wash, and after giving water wash, we will also wash it in hydrogen peroxide solution. Friends, this is hydrogen peroxide. We will take 5 ml of hydrogen peroxide and put it in water. We will soak the roots of this plant for 10 to 15 minutes in this solution. This will take care of any fungal infection or bacterial infection that is there in the roots, and the roots will become clean. Let us help this plant to survive. If there is any fungal infection, it will not survive. So finally, I have kept it in water and in a bottle for the time being. Let it be peacefully here. So friends who have come first time to my channel, can I request them to please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you will receive notifications whenever I upload videos and you will not miss any videos. And my friends who are watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. And friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay friends, bye bye for now. Happy gardening.